Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says there are three bags bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. The bag 1 contains 5 red and 5 green balls. So, bag 1 it is 5 red and 5 green. Okay, then we have bag 2. Bag 2 contains 3 red, 5 green. 3 red, 5 green. Bag 3 contains 5 red, 3 green. So bag 3 contains 5 red and 3 green balls. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3 have probability 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. So probability of selecting bag 1 is what? 3 by 10. Probability of selecting bag B2 is what? 3 by 10. Probability of selecting bag B3 is what? 4 by 10. Okay, till this part I hope you guys are okay. Now this thing you did. Now a bag is selected at random, a ball is chosen at random from the bag. So you have selected a bag, you have chosen a ball. Then which of the following are correct? Now look at the first question. The probability that the selected bag is B3 given that the chosen ball is green. So look at this. So after doing this thing, they are asking you to come back, means go to bag B3. So this means what? We have to take help of Bayes theorem. So look at this. So required probability will become, so we have, look, bag B3 given that the ball is green. So bag 1 green, this can be the case. Bag 2 then green, or bag 3 then green. Okay, we have to find out the probability when it is bag B3. So bag B3 then it is green. Now simplify things. So look at this. So what is the probability of selecting bag 1? Bag 1 is 3 by 10. What is the probability of getting green ball? It is 5 by 10 plus bag 2 3 by 10, green 5 by 8, then bag 3 4 by 10, and then green 3 by 8. Now in numerator you have to write bag B3. So probability of getting bag B3 is what? 4 by 10 and green is 3 by 8. Now if you'll observe, it is 80 but it is 100, correct? So taking LCM will become little bit difficult. So what I will do, I will simplify things. So it will become 20, and 20 can be converted into 80. Okay, so it is 4 by 4. Now it is 80. So numerator and denominator will have same thing on the denominator part. So it is 12, and you have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 80. Okay, so it is 12, and then we have 12, then we have 15, then we have 12. Okay, so it is 12 this, and then we have, wait, so it is 9 and 3 39. So we have 4 by 13. So the answer is 4 by 13, but it is given it is 5 by 13. So option A is wrong. Okay, now you have to jump on to the next part. So we have probability that the chosen ball is green. Chosen ball is green given that it is selected, given that selected bag is B3. Okay, so this answer is 3 by 8. So according to them, answer is 3 by 8. Now look at this, how we will solve this problem. So they are saying that the probability that the chosen ball is green. So you have to choose a green ball given that it is from bag B3. So from bag B3 you have to select green. So first look at this required probability. What is the probability of selecting bag B3? Now look at this, you are not coming back, you are going. Okay, so from bag B3 you have to select green ball. So what is the probability of selecting bag B3? It is 4 by 10. Now select green ball. So it is 3 by 8. So 4 2 time. So we are left with 3 by 4 by 10. Okay, we have to select directly from bag B3. So there is no need to select bag B3 first. Okay, so directly you can write 3 by 8. So according to me, answer is 3 by 8. According to them also it is 3 by 8. So option B is correct. Okay, you are not selecting bag B3 and then you are selecting green ball. Okay, so directly from bag B3 you are taking green. Okay, now look at this. Now we have option C. So in option C we have probability that the selected bag is B3 and the chosen ball is green. Now look at this, it is like previous question, no, the probability like the option A. Okay, and we got answer as the chosen ball is green. Okay, so the probability that the selected bag is B3 and the chosen ball is green. So look at this, how we will handle this situation. Probability that the selected bag is B3 and the chosen ball is green. Now look at this. Here we have, look at these two questions. These two questions are very much similar. Over there it is given that probability that the chosen ball is green, so green, and it is given you have to select green ball from bag B3. Now look at this question. The probability that the selected bag is B3. So first you have to select bag B3 and then you have to choose green ball. So how will you manage? Required probability, how will you write? First you will select, so it is 4 by 10, and then you have to select green, so it is 3 by 8. So 4 2 times, so it is 3 by 20, but over there they have given 3 by 10, so it is wrong. I hope did you understood the difference between the question number B and question number C. Okay, now we have one more thing, option D. Okay, so in option D it is given that probability that the chosen ball is green, so you have to choose green ball. Okay, and look at this, you kept on going and you stopped, you are not coming back. This means what? It is Bayes theorem. So the denominator will tell you the answer. Is that okay? So if you will observe the denominator, it is like, look at this, here you have, I will solve this thing from first. Okay, so required probability. So what will happen? You will select bag B1 and you will have green. Select bag B2, you will have green. Select bag B3, you will have green. So how will you manage? So what is the probability of selecting bag 1? It is 3 by 10. Then green, it is 5 by 10. What is the probability of selecting bag B2? It is 3 by 10. Getting a green is 5 by 8. Probability of selecting bag B3 is 4 by 10. and probability of getting green ball is what? 3 by 8. Like we have simplified this and this, and then to make denominator 80 we have to multiply by 4 and 4, so we have 12, 15, and 12 again, and denominator will have 80. So you can write down things as 39 by 80. So according to us, answer is 39 by 80. According to them also it is correct. So the correct option is B and D. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.